Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by diagnosing the environment causing the Swift fail to attach message. Check Xcode version and iOS device compatibility before trying to attach the debugger. Confirm the device is unlocked and connected via USB or on the same network. Open Xcode's Devices and Simulators window and view device logs for detailed errors. Capture the exact Swift failed to attach text from the console to guide fixes. Note whether this happens on simulator, physical device, or both. Apply common fixes when Xcode cannot attach to Swift processes. Build with debug configuration and include dwarf debug symbols for accurate attachments. Ensure provisioning allows get task allow and the app is code signed for debugging on the device. If third-party dilibs cause failures, temporarily remove or re-sign them and disable library validation for testing. Use LLDB process, attach PID or name, if Xcode fails to auto-attach the debugger, and confirm use advanced troubleshooting when basic fixes do not resolve Swift fail to attach. Restart Xcode, reboot the device, and reinstall the app to clear transient issues and stuck debug servers. Update Xcode to the latest stable release when device runtime mismatches occur with developer disk images. Collect device syslogs and symbolicate crash reports when attach still fails after fixes and send them to your team. If needed, create a minimal, reproducible project to isolate the attachment failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.